Hi guys, today we have another bass unboxing video, and this time around we have some Sony headphones WH-CH720N, which are wireless noise cancelling headphones. Going through the packaging now. Quite basic packaging, to be fair, nothing too exciting there. Let's put these things aside. Okay, so simple box. Sorry about the changing the views. I'll be changing these views throughout the video. I'm gonna go from one camera shot to the other just to give you a bit more idea about the product itself. Now, in regards to these headphones and the reason why I've purchased these, again, I purchased these with my own money. I just wanted something cheap, affordable, lightweight, with microphones and noise cancelling for my son. He's only 9 years old, and I just want to have some headphones where he can, you know, play his own games on the tablet or just listen to some music by himself if he wants to. And I bought these from Costco just yesterday, and I decided to do a bit of an unboxing, a bit of a review on them. So I've already had a chance to go through the box and try the headphones myself, and my first impressions of the headphones, without going into much technical details, is that they're quite light. They're actually, going on through the website, they're under 200 grams. Obviously they're wireless headphones, so they support Bluetooth. However, for the audio geeks out there, they don't have LDAC codecs or aptX. Now you can, with these headphones, you can actually pair two devices simultaneously, so you can have his tablet connected to the headphones. Here you can also have his phone. You do have some noise cancelling feature, which use like a dual noise sensors mix from Sony's integrated processor V1. They also have digital Sound Enhancement Engine, upscales compressed audio, and they've got ambient and adaptive ambient sound through modes like push through for quick ambient awareness. 360 reality audio, virtual 7.1 sound system via Sony headphones connects up. Now, I haven't really had a chance to install the app, so I don't really know what we're dealing with yet. I'm go through them, to be fair. Battery life 35 hours with ENC on. With ENC off, you look at 50 hours. Quick charge, 3-minute charge, gives you an hour use, which is amazing. Now, these headphones obviously are not IP rated, so please avoid any moisture. The parts, the overall feel of the headphones, they feel light. Parts are very cushy, very soft. I feel I can wear these for a long time, so it's quite a compelling package for what it is. I think generally they have a very good bass for those bass nerds out there. It's you know, they're quite deep, you know, quite a good bass for what they are. Now it lacks a bit of high-res audio, obviously because of LDAC, and DNC is not really like a flagship, but overall I think for what they're worth, they're amazing headphones for all the younger kids there to enjoy. Light, long battery, they've got microphone, they've got some ENC on, they're good bass, and they can fit any child. And the cushions, they feel actually quite soft, so you can wear them for a long time if you need to. But yeah, that's about these headphones. Don't know what else to say. I'll put some links in the description where you can buy them from Costco's, and I can put some link from Amazon, hopefully. And that's about it. Yeah, so there we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a non-sponsored video. If you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe. But for now, all I'm gonna say is take care and have a good night. Bye.